Yo, what's up with it? Y'all already know, man. It's your boy No Tatts. We back here for UK Monday, man. And the first one up, man. We ain't had this dude on the channel before, but you know, he's a fellow YouTuber. And you know, it's only right that we put him on the channel, man, for UK Monday, man. You know what I'm saying? The boy KSI. So we got Anne Marie times KSI times Digital Farm Animals. Don't play. Now we about to see what this song is talking about, man, because you know it's been out 3 days and it's already at 5 million views. So you know what I'm saying? They got to be doing something right, because 5 million views in three days, man, that's crazy. But y'all already know, man, it's your boy No Tatts. We back for another video, man. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. When you comment, let me know what you want to see. I'm gonna get to it. Just don't send no Buster, no Huff, none of that weak stuff over here, man. We don't do that over here, man. Real rap, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check this song out, man. And if this nigga KSI verse is whack, we gonna let you know, brother. We gonna let you know. We ain't holding back nothing. Well, anyway, let's get into this.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
This nigga's trying to be a boxing trainer. Nigga, wasn't you in there rumbling with another YouTuber? Who was he fighting? Jake Paul or Logan Paul? One of them Paul niggas. Well, y'all niggas, nigga, you just started boxing 2 years ago. Now you're a boxing instructor. Nigga, calm down, nigga. KSI, calm down, man. Calm down, bro. Anne Marie kind of thick, ain't she? Is that Anne Marie? Kind of thick, boy. Ooh.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
Nigga, KSI, your verse was mediocre right there, bro. I done heard you rap better than what you did here, man. You know what I'm saying? That right there, man, was mediocre. Maybe it's just the style of the song or whatever it is, the case may be. But that right there, bro, was on the borderline of mediocre and whack, nigga. But I'm gonna put you on the side of mediocre, man. That was mediocre, bro.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. All the things you're doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye.
Ooh, you ain't give me your time, I ain't giving you mine. If you wanna lie, I'm gonna say goodbye, boy. She's been that truth serum, boy. Listen. Don't expect me to do this if you ain't doing it, bro. And if you gonna just play with my emotions and lie to me, I'm up out of here. Chunk the deuces. We up out of here. Let's go. We ain't standing around for that nonsense, man. Speak to him, Anne Marie. Nigga KSI, Anne Marie going harder than your verse. This nigga KSI, man. You let that woman get on here and go harder than you, boy. God damn.
Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I play.
you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to ride, no.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play.
Did that woman have some hair on her arm, though? Well, hold on now. Well, I thought I seen a little bush up under that armpit. Oh my God, look at that right there. KSI coached you to victory. Yeah, man, I heard, bruh. That's Anne Marie, KSI Digital Farm. Don't play game. My heart. KSI, I had to be honest, bro. I done heard you go home much more harder than you did, man. But you know, maybe it's this style of song or something like that, man. You know what I mean? We're gonna be paying attention to the next song, see if he went harder. But this one was mediocre. Your verse was mediocre, boy. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason I came here, because KSI is rapper, man. Nigga, you let me down, nigga. Straight up, nigga. I thought I was gonna hear some bars. But anyway, man, y'all already know, man, it's your boy No Tatts. Man, y'all let me know which KSI song he goes hard in. I'm gonna react to that one, man. I'm gonna catch y'all to the next one, boy.